installation, installation, installation.
Installations.
Noun. 1.
The act of installing something, as equipment.
2.
A building or place that provides a particular service or is used for a particular industry.
3.
A formal entry into an organization or position or office.
Listen and practice.
The telephone installation took only a few minutes. The telephone installation took only a few minutes. The art installation is in a large, dark room. The art installation is in a large, dark room. Or digital out-of-home, sort of installation program. Or digital out-of-home, sort of installation program.
Installation.